Okay, good evening, friends, and once again, I hereby wish you a very happy anniversary. Okay, and this is our 6th anniversary. On the occasion of 6th anniversary, we are hereby presenting our college. Okay, which has been done with all of our efforts, and through this college, we are portraying a letter R, which is a first letter of recluse. Okay, we have included all the snaps of the special moments, birthday occasions, the startup of the company, pictures, and also the puja which we have performed, and everything, all the snaps which we have got it from various links and which we have portrayed in this collage. Basically, the concept here is to identify or enlighten or portray a letter R. Okay, so letter R, and which stands for recluse, as you know, and R also stands for recruitment, the work we put in, and reward from the work we get, and recognition, we are recognized from our work, and also the revenue generating, from which the recluse whole family is very happy about it. So basically, we are trying to portray all the pictures starting from the startup of the recluse in the letter R. So let's start off with the R, startup of the recluse pictures. Basically, this part of R, it comprises of the pictures which we have got it from the the old office of the recluse, which includes birthday celebration starting from the puja of the recluse, birthday celebrations, and also the team of recluse which we had in the past. And the second part of R would be the second office of the recluse, which starts from our director of recluse Sachitra, who is entering in, and again it goes on to the team activities which we had done, and also the birthdays, and also the fun moments and special moments which we have included in the second part of R, which includes the second office of recluse. And coming further, so we have our Mangalore office branch, which started on 11th April 2011, and we have got the special moments or special captures of the photos from the recluse team of Mangalore, and which includes again the birthday pictures and the office pictures of recluse. After that, we have the third stage of recluse, that is wherein we have got a new furnished office in Bangalore, and which we have covered all the pictures till date. And finally, we come to reward, R for reward, which we have portrayed a recluse trophy, which is again won by Bangalore team in the last team activity. So here we have captured all the lines of recluse which we have worked in the past, present, and present through which we have grown till date. And finally we come to our main godfather of recluse, who is Mr. Sachit Roy. And the last tag of recluse is, so just as common as apple for A, we hope in future years R would be common for recluse. So this all efforts were put in by our team members. First, I would like to call upon Ashwini, Kalai Selvi, Ila, and Bis. So the last tagline of our collage is just as common as apple for A, we hope the coming few years are for recluse. Happy anniversary!